In today's video, we will show you the 10 most dangerous kids' toys ever. Believe it or not, but some toys, like Fingerprint kits and Hoverboards, had severe injury records. However, if you want to check which of them are renewed and available in the market, then make sure to stick around to the end because some crazy stuff is waiting. I swear. Let's roll into the list with our number 10. CSI Fingerprint Examination Kits. Dangerous toys are not just a part of the past, because this CSI Fingerprint Examination Kits are based on the famous crime scene investigation show. The two kits that allowed the children to dust for fingerprints, similarly what was done in the show, were released in 2007. Alas, the powder used in the CSI kits had remnants of asbestos, which contains about 7% of tremolite, known as the most dangerous form of asbestos. Number 9. Fidget Spinners. Oh buddy, spin it faster to win! The IT toy of 2017 did not just bug teachers. These plastic fidget toys also posed a choking hazard. Experts in the Good Housekeeping Institute found that both branded and knockoff models contain parts that may detach and cause injuries. Such toys prevented the children to concentrate on their studies. And you know, that is why using spinners is prohibited in schools or several states of the US. Number 8. Lawn darts. Weighted skewers flying around in the sky. Is it a family-friendly yard game or immediate danger? Well, it does not take much imagination to see why steel missiles would make a dangerous toy. Lawn darts were originally designed to pierce lawns in a game similar to horseshoes. After 6,000 kids went to the hospital with related injuries and 3 deaths, lawn darts were banned by the CPSC. Even the consumers were recommended to destroy the remaining sets. Number 7. Magnet sets. Building sets with powerful magnets are always a better idea to amp up a child's creativity. But from the mid-2000s, magnet sets became a parent's nightmare when one child died and several others suffered serious injuries from swallowing the magnets that had detached from the plastic building pieces. These sets were recalled in 2006, but still the manufacturer sells a redesigned version with updated labeling today. Oh, the magnets must be rigid now. Number 6. Rollerblade Barbies. Out of all Barbie's careers and hobbies, these Rollerblade Barbies from the 90s caused a firestorm, literally. A cigarette lighter-like device in their skates would legitimately shoot out sparks when rolled on a flat surface. You see, life in plastic can be fantastic for sure, but it's not always as it seems. Number 5. Easy Bake Ovens. Yeah, of course these can be the girl's favorite toy to play back in 2007. About 1 million of these iconic Hasbro toys were recalled. Believe it or not, Hasbro had to recall Easy Bake Ovens, not only once, but twice. There were almost 250 reports of children burning their hands or fingers after getting caught in the miniature appliances. Some got several incidences resulting in burns. Oh, little chefs, don't get worried. The Easy Bake Oven, now on shelves, has been restructured significantly. Number 4. Atomic Laboratory Kits. It's hard to say that the Atomic Lab picks deserve a spot on this list. Science-based toys still win over our parents today, but we guess this specific 60s kit would not pass anymore. The Gilbert U238 Atomic Energy Lab was described as the most elaborate atomic energy educational set ever produced. These kits featured 4 uranium-bearing ore samples, even in an age when science sets regularly came out with substances like potassium nitrate. The Atomic Energy Lab kits were positively glowing with danger. Number 3. Hoverboards. The hot holiday ticket item for 2015 did not go very well. Battery-powered devices are prone to explosion when left charged for too long. A 3-year-old boy has died after a faulty board sparked a house fire in Pennsylvania. 10 companies recalled more than 500,000 hoverboards after nearly 100 reports of fire-related incidences. Now, laws have since been tightened to make hoverboards more secure, reports CNET. Number 2. Sky Dancers. These flying creatures are more alarming than they seem. Just pull the strings from the launcher and the princess doll spins up into the air. And definitely in front of people. After 150 reports of eye injuries, broken teeth, facial cuts, scratched corneas, and minor crashes, about 9 million sets of Sky Dancers were finally recalled in 2000. Number 1. Austin Magic Pistols. In the 1950s, when BB pistols were not considered extremely dangerous, they needed something special to stand out. The Austin Magic Pistols were able to do just that. With their gas-powered combustion, the gun used the magic crystals made of calcium carbide, which is a dangerous substance. When it's combined with water, the crystals can explode and fire a plastic ball 70 feet or more. OMG! You see, some of these toys have been banned or redesigned, and some are still available on shelves today. Did you have one of them? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our amazing top 10 videos popping up on the left and right of the screen. See ya!